This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Enter this one-of-a-kind home and you will find beautiful hickory hardwood floors, custom kitchen west/walk-in pantry, laundry room with large closet, plenty of storage, new carpet in bedrooms, built-in cabinets, master suite with walk-in closet, bathroom west/dual vanities, jacuzzi tub and separate tiled shower, and sunroom. If cars are your thing, there is a 2,000 square feet garage/workshop with woodstove, office, several bonus rooms, and grease pit. If farm animals are your passion, check out the amazing fenced pasture with 2 creeks and several outbuildings. All this and there's still plenty of room for gardening. What you don't see in photos include a whole house fan, and backup wood burning furnace. For more information, review the details below.